The hip-anchored single-arm neutral grip cable row trains the lats, more specifically the lumbar or mid divisions. To set up, attach a single-arm handle to the seated cable row. Grab the handle and anchor your hip against the bench in a half-kneeling stance. Next, square your hips and shoulders to face the cable straight on. Lastly, lever your torso forward slightly whilst maintaining a neutral spine and pull your shoulder down toward your hip. For the action, on the concentric, pull the cable toward your hip, driving with your elbow. Keep your elbow tight to your body, scraping your ribs with your upper arm on the way back. Stop when your elbow is in line with your torso. During the eccentric, fully extend your arm with control whilst maintaining your downward shoulder. For proper alignment, maintain a slight lean forward, maintain your shoulder down, avoid rowing your elbow behind your torso as this will shift the focus away from the lats. And lastly, aim to keep the cable in a straight line with your forearm, as if the cable is an extension of your forearm. This will prevent bicep and forearm engagement.